So among the many pleasures of hosting a conference like this is you can sometimes arrange to put on stage artists that you have otherwise missed. And over the years, I have consistently missed two pianos, four hands. And one of the reasons I've missed them, and I've been a little complacent about missing them, is that they're busy traveling the world. They've been, performing in over 100 cities, 4 continents, and I simply assumed that one of these days they'd wend their way back to Toronto. But I finally got tired of waiting, so we gave them a call, and we booked them here. Richard Greenblatt, Ted Dyson.
We're not going to do the whole show.
In fact, we're not going to do much of it. I'm Ted.
I'm Richard. So, when Ted and I were first discussing our ideas for doing this, we had this great idea, so we thought, about talking about ideas. So we tried this out at the Tarragon Spring Arts Fair a few weeks ago, and we were asking each other questions about the nature of ideas and whose idea was which in the show, which we couldn't, of course, remember, until somebody yelled out,
Do something from the show!
So we are going to do something from the show.
Even though we'd rather have lengthy eye surgery.
Yeah. And just to introduce it in a way, for all of you who are, as I'm sure, proponents or admirers of Elizabethan theater, I'm sure, which is the vast majority of you, you will know that most Elizabethan theater starts with what's called a dumb show. Ted, can you describe a dumb show, please?
Well, dumb meaning not that it's not intelligent, but that it's silent. So you see the entire plot of the play before the play happens, done in a dumb show very quickly. And this was because the audience it was like a rock concert, basically. It was loud, there were people throwing things and yelling, and the more times you told the story, the more people wouldn't go, what's going on now? So they tried to tell the story as many times as possible so that you would know where you were in the plot.
So Ted and I, when we were writing, we thought we would do a musical dumb show of the whole piece, and here it is.
And this is it.
It's the very top of the show.